Did you know that Earth is struck by over 100 lightning bolts every single second? That's around 8 million lightning strikes each day. These incredible electrical discharges are not just spectacular to watch, they play a crucial role in balancing the Earth's electrical charge. Lightning also helps produce nitrogen oxides in the atmosphere, which are essential for plant growth. So, the next time you see a flash of lightning, remember, it's not just a beautiful display, it's nature's way of keeping our planet in harmony and supporting life. Isn't that electrifying?